My name is Fritz Littlefield. I live in Minnesota. I'm based out of Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I'm leased to CRST. I've been on trucking for approximately 42 years. It's an 06 379. I do a tribute to POW MIA. So, my grandfather was a POW, and my great-grandfather was POW. 3 of my brothers are all military vets. So, and this is for them and all the vets. So, what we did is did something different than what all the other military trucks do. I don't have a wrap, okay? And what I have on this truck is I have a copy of the Vietnam Veterans Wall, okay? As we walk around, everybody, you see all the skulls, that is for our MIAs. Then we come up here, and this is a little tribute we put together in the last month. We have our freedom. We have our glory up here. On the other side, we have the POW MIA. And the skulls are for the POW and MIAs. Basically, what we did with the red is for the missing. As the missing come, I pull a skull off. Right now, there's approximately 1,500 MIAs right now. Then back here, this flag is flown all the time. Then we got Old Glory up here on the back. On the other side, we have back in blue for the police. We're not a big show truck, but we like to make our presentation.